here we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys how to how to start your room off when you're doing your interior space. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a vanishing point. You can put it dead center, not paper even, you can put it wherever you want. I'm going to put mine a little bit off center. Now, what you're going to do is draw the back of the room. Alright, so I'm going to start with the floor, which is typically flat. Now, you do not have to do it flat, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Alright, I'm going to draw the wall. So I'll line it with that and try to kind of make it even. Alright, draw the other wall. Alright, now if you wanted to, you could go ahead and make the top of it just like that, like a square, but that's kind of typical and basic, and basic starts with a B, so I'm going to make a pointed roof by connecting it like that and connecting like that. Alright, now to make your room come out towards you, what you're going to do is you're going to connect your vanishing point to each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just draw the lines off the page. 1, 2. So I pivot off my pencil. 3, 4, and 5. Alright, now from this point you can do anything you want. You can make your room, you could do a series, you could make this look like rafters, so I'm going to parallel slide, make it look like roof stuff. You can, and to match it, just parallel slide, and when do they meet? Obviously they don't meet anymore. Alright, so there's my room. You want to do a doorway. Door is very simple. I'm just going to do a vertical line on the side. Alright, what do I connect to? That's right, connect it to your vanishing point. Alright. Parallel slide to that same point, see right there, parallel slide to it. Alright, now if I want to make that a door, I could totally draw a doorknob on there, make it a doorknob, or I can make it a doorway. Watch how I do this. It's going to blow your mind. Slide from the bottom right to that bottom corner, so as you can see, parallel slide to it, and there you go. I've drawn a doorway so it looks like your wall has thickness. Erase this line right here. I'm going to take it even a step further, come off your vanishing point and kind of put a line right in the middle of the door back there, and that's like your hallway. You can go out and down the hall to the kitchen. I'll even draw a picture. You can see a little bit of some family photos on the wall. There's a little picture frame around it, little people standing in it. There you go. That's on the way to the kitchen to get you a snack. Alright, let's do a window. Slide over to this side. Vertical line. I'm going to draw mine kind of big so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, connect to the vanishing point. Very good. Now notice I'm drawing my lines only as long as I need them. If you can do that, I would recommend doing that because that makes cleanup way easier. Alright, parallel slide. I'm just going to use this right here. Right, there's a window on the wall. You could make that a poster, a window, whatever you want. I'm going to make it a window. So the first thing I'm going to do is trim it out. So I'm going to draw another line on the outside of it. Basically make that wooden part that goes around it. Alright, you can make that a flat screen TV. I'm going to keep going with window. So we all know that windows have those vertical lines in them. Alright, and then those get split up to the vanishing point. So everything going this way goes to the vanishing point. Everything else is parallel. Alright, so there's a window if you want to put curtains on it. You can add curtains. Those are kind of ugly, but you get the point. Alright, now floor. What do you do with this floor? Put stuff on it. You could put couches, you could put a hole in it, you could put whatever you want. Couches are kind of typical, so I'm going to show you a, let's see. Let me do a table. All right, so I'm gonna do a table right over here. Now the table, I'm just gonna start with the top of the table. And see how I crossed over the wall a little bit? That's okay, because tables sit up off the floor. You could make this into a table, you can make it a bed. Now think of objects like you're looking at it from the edge. All right, connect these corners to what? That's right, your vanishing point. And so I went into the wall a little bit. That's because I'm gonna have a very long table. This kind of looks like a Viking longhouse. All right, cut it out, parallel slide. Parallel slide, there you go. So there's like the top of my table, and so now I want to do the legs. You could do 4 legs, which I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna come in a little bit. These look a little crooked. Get both of these while I'm at it. So I stop short because it's going to have that guy, the apron. All right, now connect it to your vanishing point. Bam, and watch, I'm going to do one way down there because that's the back leg. Connect this inside one. You can do whatever you want. I'm just doing some basic stuff here. I'm going to do something cool with it in a second. So see, I have my long table with my thing at the back, and if you want to draw stuff on it, you can draw a big bowl of pasta. Or you can do 3, Mama Bear, Papa Bear, Baby Bear. And there's babies over here. Steam coming out of the porridge. There's the spoon sticking out. Little cup of milk. Big cup for Papa Bear. See what I'm saying? And just fill this room up. Let's do a hole in the floor. Just draw a shape. All right, tell the jaggedies, do little tiny vertical lines off all the jaggedies. All right, and then parallel to a curve. Parallel to a curve. You don't see that one. Parallel to that shape is that shape. A parallel to a curve at the back is curve at the back. All right, you can put fire coming out, and the devil could be climbing out of here. Whatever you want. I know that's ugly, but just showing you how to be creative, stuff you can come up with. Whatever you want to do, make these rooms interesting. Put stuff on the back wall, the side walls, fill this room with stuff. Normal is boring, and I'll be glad to help you. So let me know what help you need when you need it.